Tuesday. I just finished my breakfast and now what time is it? It's 8:50, so I'm waiting for my 9 o'clock class. It's game concepts. Tapos today we're just going to discuss and brainstorm yung mga gusto namin gawin na game. Mine is very simple though. Very simple. And then after that, may test ako. So we're just gonna wait for that. I bought a new keyboard. This. Yeah. Oh. It's 6:20 already. I've been doing school stuff for 3 hours. And by school stuff, I mean one activity. And sobrang, I don't know, my creativity is like about to get blocked. Kasi basically my midterm is to think of 10 board games, 10 potential board games that I want to create. I've only done 5 in the span of 3 hours, so hindi naman 3 hours, siguro mga 1 hour and a half, 2 hours. But while doing that, I've been watching din the Hunger Games, and natapos ko yung isang Hunger Games, and now I'm actually in the second one. And also, I'm waiting for dinner kasi nagpa-deliver kami ng Korean food. So, I'm excited for that. Very excited for Korean food. Tomorrow is Wednesday, so that's my rest day. Pero syempre, I still have to do my schoolwork kasi yung isa is editing a trailer, and then yung game thing nga, hoping for the best. Okay, I just found out that I overdid my work. So, akala ko I had to make 10 ideas. Yun pala 5 lang. And then, idea lang talaga. Walang, like, what's in the game, what are you gonna do in the game. It's literally just an idea. And I already have mechanics for all 5 of them. So, it's like, tapos yung partner ko pa naman, bago, hindi naman bago, pero I've never been her partner. So, Like, this is my first time working with her. And then I told her, oh, here's my thing. And she was like, you did so much. And I was like, oh my god, I'm so extra. So now, I'm just like, you know, I'm so mad for being extra. So annoying. Anyway, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here now because I just did too much and I need to chill, relax, you know. Masyado ako na-excite. Anyway, that's it for the vlog. Hope you liked it. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see me post more videos. I know I haven't posted in a while, but then I'm trying, you know, I'm trying. That's it. I'm just gonna go. I don't even know what to say anymore because I'm like, gulat na gulat ako sa ginawa ko. Okay, that's it. Bye. I'm gonna just